Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So yeah guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually change your default volume button control. So basically what that means is when you increase or decrease your volume, as you guys can see, it is going to select a default for you to do it. So now currently my phone, it is set to increase or decrease media as default, so which means if I increase that right now, it's increasing my media volume. But you guys can change that, and that is what this video is for. But before we actually get into the video, don't forget to drop a like and hit that subscribe button down below. And with that, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, what are you guys going to want to do in order to change your default volume control button, or sorry, your default volume button control? What you guys are going to want to do is open up your settings, and keep in mind I am using a Huawei device for this. If you're using any other Huawei device, the settings will be the same, but if you're using any other Android devices, your settings will be similar. They won't be 100% the same as in this video, but you guys can search for it and it should be in the same. You should be able to find it. If you can't find it, you can always go to your search bar and search for it. So yeah, once you guys open up your settings, you guys are going to want to scroll down to sounds and vibration, and once you guys are here, you guys will be able to look at below your volume tab, which shows you all your volume, sound, all of this. And if you go look below that, there's something called default volume button control. So in order to actually change it, click that and you guys can change it. So if I increase this now, as you guys can see, it's increasing the ringer and messages, notifications, whatever else. Or if I go back to my media like just now, it reduces this. So this is for music videos. If you're watching it like that, some people may prefer it like this, or if you prefer it to be for your ringtone, always adjust that. So yeah, that's how you actually do it. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any other tutorials you want me to do, let me know in the comments down below. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.